You said what? I caught what?
Are we starting?
Yep, we're starting. Where you at?
I'm in the helicopter or some shit like that.
Yeah, I know you by the beach, but where? Yeah, I'm already down in the island, so. Island. I'm already in island. Oh, there you go. I see you behind over there. AK with life. See, you just came over here. I've been here the whole time.
I'm not confused.
Huh? Alright. Why you look like that, bruh?
I'm not confused.
Nah, this is a, I think he was in a helicopter with us, so.
Yeah, you trying to give me a medicine and shit?
Nah, you know, you can easily give him instruction, like tell him what to do and stuff. All right, so you run around. We gotta open the bags, these bags, see if there's anything that we can use. So you can follow me, AK. Follow me. Oh, are you here? Bro, follow me. Let's go. Bro, why you kill? Oh my God! Look, see, bro, this one the. Why you trying to kill me, man?
He said follow me.
I said follow me, don't kill me, bro. Like,
I mean, that's all. I'm scared and shit. I love you. Yeah, ready.
ready for what? It's ready to kill me? Nah, that was crazy, bro. We just started this shit. Already trying to kill me, man. Come on, chill, bro. What are you saying? Matter of fact, keep walking in front, bro. I'ma follow you.
No, you don't want that light.
Bro, you got a light too, bro.
Nah, why you doing it?
Nah, if you press I, you gonna see the light in there. Press I, you gonna see the. You gonna open the inventory, you gonna see the light.
How about you?
I mean, I already got mine out.
Okay, let me see. Like,
Hey, it's too dark in here, man. I can't see nothing. Yo, why you behind there, bruh? See? No, they coming, bro. Yeah, get ready. Yeah, get ready. Hey, bro, stop, bro. Hey, hello, stop. Yo, bro. Bro, you be alright. Look, he's trying to be behind me. Hell no. You know, black people don't be. I don't know, the first to encounter shit like that, bro. Come here, bro. Why you? Bro, why you scared? Look. Bro, I'm trying to make sure. I tell them like, yo, AK, you just behind me. Swing. Yo, they coming, bro. Kill it before you do anything. AK, come here, get it. Am I dead? Oh no. AK, are you alive? Are you still alive? Did you kill it? Did you? Yo, bro, I can't see nothing, bro. If you could heal me, bro. If you see me, heal me down. Oh my God. Bro, I just died, bro. You probably killed me, bro. I think you killed you killed me, bro.
Nah.
See, you dead, bro. You ain't even kill it, bro.
What you mean I'm dead? I'm right here.
Right, you down, right? Can you get up or no?
I can walk. I'm still alive.
Walk.
I can move around. See me or what?
No, I don't see you, bro. Where you at? Bro, just pick me up, bro. Just come close to me, bro. Pick me up. Oh, I was in a... bro, this thing ate me, bro. No, I thought it was dead. Bro. And you didn't even be killing the shit.
I did.
Is he dead? Alright, let's see. Oh, see? Bro, this yo, AK, bro, I'm telling yo. Bro, see, hey. Chat, this is what I'm talking about. Like, he don't be doing shit. Bro, see, he just standing here. Look, this is what he be doing the whole time. This is, bro, go ahead. Try one more time. See, this is what he... Yo, he just standing in one place and just swinging another. Why is he chasing me, bro? Like, God damn. This is annoying as hell. That's how you. Where is he at? Where's he at? Where's he at? Where is he? He's running around, bro. Chase. Where's the stars? Oh yeah. Where you at? I got him. Yo, AK, where you at? There's one over here, bro. Watch out. Watch out. Oh my god. Yo, be careful, bro. Bro, are you dead? I know you did for sure. What happened? Where you at? Bro, I was the first to get slapped, bro. Because your ass wanna be behind all time, but we supposed to be like in sync, bro. We supposed to be like together and shit. But you wanna be behind. You want me to take the first blow, and I always end up dying, bro. And I'm the best in the team, but you're supposed to be first, cause you know. I don't even know how to speak English, bro. My word ain't like coming out. Hey, don't touch my backpack, bro. Alright, press I. Go to your inventory. You see that small thing? Press light, and then boom, you got light now. Alright. Yo, AK, we got some people over here. Right here, they coming. Yo. Kill it! Bro, they jump on a tree. Motherfucker jumped down. Bro, he jumped down right there. He's coming. Yo, AK, can you see it? Bro, turn around, bro. Why you turn your back on it? Bro, hit him. Hold up.
Oh shit.
AK, bro, I'm getting jumped, bro. Yo, what your ass doing, bro? See, bro, this is what I'm talking about, bro. Like, I really want you to be there, bro. When I'm telling you to turn around, bro, turn around, you gotta look at what I'm looking at, bro. Like, see? Like, every time I be telling you...
You die again? I mean, we gotta stick together. Because the other guy won't allow you.
How are we gonna stick together when I'm dead, bro?
You gotta tell me like, yo, come around this side, stay with me.
I've been telling you.
Let's go this way. For your eyes.
I'm telling you to turn around, bro. We got some people invading out, bro. We about to die, bro. People trying to attack us, bro. Turn around. You over there walking, you just like, bro. It's like you don't even care, bro. I seen him. He's coming. He's coming. Yo, let's go kill him. Let's go kill him, kid. Let's go kill him. Kill him. Yo, AK, bro, what you doing? Oh my god, bro.
Here's your bike.
How did you kill this guy?
Oh, you didn't know. You want him or what?
Bro, tell me, bro. This game is not fair, bro. I feel like this game, it targeted the best player in the team. They just died literally, cause ain't no way. I keep getting one tap. I keep getting one tap every time, bro. Every time, and bro, look at this man who just stand in one place and just swing his knife. It killed him. Like,
you want him or what? Right here, pull you down. To get him.
no, alright. Okay, come here. Let's go kill the rest.
Oh, you want to leave it?
Yeah, there's two of them here. Let's go kill this guy too. He right there. Can you see him? AK, he right there. Bro, look how this man walk, bro. This is the man that just killed the nigga who one-tapped me, bro.
I see it. Oops.
Oh, no, that one, he's a loser, bro.
Yeah. Actually, dang.
Bro, let's go kill that one right there. Oh, I'm scared. Nigga, I ain't scared of shit. Alright, bro, he's coming, bro. He's coming. Get ready. He ducking my shit, nigga. Bitch ass nigga. What you thought this is? Yeah, it is, nigga. Yeah. Oh no, bro! What the fuck? Yo, what? Bro, what are you doing, bro?
I said behind your eyes, bro.
What you mean behind the scene? Bro, this is what I'm talking about. I ain't gonna lie to you. This game just targeted the best player in the game. Bro, see, this nigga, bro, he just standing there not doing shit. And they ignored him. As soon as they saw me, he's on sight, bro. Just on sight. One time, and I don't even know what happened, bro.